Revolution Avenue is the typical tourist street that most people go to buy typical souvenirs from TJ. Piñatas, sombreros, ponchos, t-shirts, candle holders, all that kind of stuff. It's been like that for almost a century, and it still is like that. We're on Revolution Avenue. This used to be where the tourists came all the time to pick up their little tchotchkes, touristy stuff. Revolution Avenue actually does still have some redeeming qualities. If you like handcrafted stuff, like typical souvenirs, this is the perfect place to come. They have blankets, handmade jewelry, beads, masks, all sorts of old pictures from the Mexican Revolution days. It's really worth the walk. It's where people used to come to party in the 80s, but now there's not really any gringos. It's mostly just Mexicans, but it's Mexican tourists, so you can come to Revolution still and see some cool touristy stuff. Revolution Avenue is by far the heart of tourism for TJ. That's where all the people who first-time TJ visitors are definitely going to go to Revolution Avenue. You have to go. You got to see it. It's interesting. There's a lot of stuff to be seen. But while you're there, just keep in mind there's definitely more to TJ than just Revolution Avenue.